Hola, 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 mga Italianos. Welcome back to another episode of Gassi Lifestyle Original Studios. It's a boy here, Zulu Ocean. You are now tuned in to the Gassi. Welcome, welcome, mga Italianos. Today we're going all the way to South Africa. Hey, yo, before we continue, thank you for subscribing, man. Thank you to everyone who has been subscribing. It really means a lot. It really means a lot, bro. Like, yo, like... it means a lot. It means a lot. It really means a lot, man. Like, yo, thank you very much, man. Thank you very much for subscribing. Like, yo, 860 guys. Really, thank you very much. Like, I'm humble. I'm humble. So, let's continue. Who's this now? Don't mind the numbers. Okay, yeah, yeah, Makasi Live, yeah. Today we're going all the way to South Africa. We're gonna be checking out an artist that goes by the name of DJ CLEN. I don't know who that is. So DJ CLEN has a song called Problems, featuring A-REECE, Frank Casino, and LOATINOVER Pounds. Shush Plata Joe. Yeah. Is it that nigga? I don't know. Is it that nigga? Is it that nigga? I don't know. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, yeah, so we got Frank Casino, guys. Frank Casino. Back again, man. Back again from the dead. Now we got A-REECE, you know, Aways. New father. Father figure. Hola, Nanayami. Congratulations. Alright, and then we got DJ CLEN, our introduction to DJ CLEN. Yeah, so let's go, man. Let's check out DJ CLEN. Let's see what he has for us. Will this song be a contender for SA hip hop? I don't know, but let's see. Name of the song is called Problems. Do you got problems? If you got problems, I got a solution for you. Subscribe. All your problems will go away. If only you would subscribe. All your problems would go away. Subscribe.
Yeah, I'ma only tell you what you need to know. My niggas got problems.
Hey, DJ CLEN. Yay.
Yeah, I'ma only tell you what you need to know. My niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't want a bigger problem with us though. I just wanna be I'm tryna be a young rich Negro. Kinda like, something like MJ going in from the free throw. They don't know it. But I can see him scheming through the peephole. I can see him. Whoa, you can feel the pressure, nigga, we know. And I gotta, got a lot of enemies I gotta keep close. Niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't want a bigger problem with us, no.
3 zeros won't be enough for a nigga like me.
We got my boy is back. We got Frank Casino back, man. Hey yo.
Bigger problem with us, no.
3 zeros won't be enough for a nigga like me. I could barely even do 4 for the week, maybe 5 to speak, 6.
Flex, my boy. Flex on them, boy.
For a nigga like me, I could barely even do 4 for the week, maybe 5 we could speak. 6 is the goal I should make in my sleep. Life could be sweet. The paint on my feet from artistry. Palms on my feet with my heart on my sleeves. Cross on my jeans with the boss logo T. Ironic scenes cause I've been label free. Yeah, plus 39 where I find my dimes. What a fast life by the Ramadan. Plus 39 where I find my dimes. What a fast life by the Ramadan. Mercedes convoy, see the stars align. Pan Alexander with the Parmesan. My taste palate's really meant for fine and dine. I'ma need a piece like the apple sign. And the carrots in my teeth, so I go for mine.
Yeah, I'ma only tell you what you need to know. My niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't want a bigger problem with us though. I just wanna be I'm tryna be a young rich Negro. Kinda like, something like MJ going in from the free throw. they don't know it. But I can see him scheming through the peephole. I can see him. You can feel the pressure, nigga, we know. And I got a lot of enemies I gotta keep close. Niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't want a bigger problem with us though.
Not becoming a problem for rappers, they sign that they're tryna sign me just to silence me. Told them I'm up for the top spot, nigga, they would've paid for this prophecies. They couldn't give all this young.
Hey, LOATINOVER, bruv. Yo, drop the pounds on them, boy. Drop them pounds on them, boy. They can't even. Did you hear that? Listen to this.
Not becoming a problem for rappers, they sign that they're tryna sign me just to silence me. Told them I'm up for the top spot, nigga, they would've paid for this prophecies. They couldn't give all these young niggas a chance. Look, now we're running Monopoly. This a new era and I get keepy. They used to call me a wannabe. Nigga, I'm a lot tragedy, so paper plate, they get going in like your 40 on top of the rope. High flyer, hagen, I'm a larry. Isura rapper like your 40 on top of the rope. High flyer, hagen, I'm a larry. Isura rapper said dance, I go TikTok, man, I came with the wing. If I got on yet, then I'm feeling swing. Is 019
Yeah, I'ma only tell you what you need to know. My niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't want a bigger problem with us though. I just wanna be I'm tryna be a young rich Negro. Kinda like, something like MJ going in from the free throw. They don't know it, but I can see him scheming through the peephole. I can see him. You can feel the pressure, nigga, we know. And I got a lot of enemies I gotta keep close. Niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't want a bigger problem with us though. No, go. You don't want a bigger problem with us though. Kinda like, something like, with the free throw. Go. Kinda like, my niggas got problems and I got problems, but you don't wanna.
Yeah.
Made it to the top, lot of niggas gotta keep up with us.
Yeah.
Look, it should be our show, but everybody came to see us.
Yeah.
Young nigga couldn't go to college, so I got on my beast mode. The grams ain't free, but if niggas want beef, then it's me and my niggas yelling free smoke.
Grams ain't free, but if niggas stop beefing with me and my niggas yelling free smoke. Balls, bro. Balls. Who that? Is that DJ CLEN? They're on the deck. The nigga was standing on the deck. Whew. Damn. Bruv. That was problems. If you got problems, me and my niggas, we gonna bring more problems. Hey yo, that was problems for DJ CLEN with A-REECE, Frank Casino, LOATINOVER Pounds, dog, Njaka. Hey, yay. I know, no. The niggas, they all brought that thing, man. They all brought that thing, bruv. Like they all delivered. Like they left no crumbs, like no stone unturned. They parted the seas, they parted the oceans, like yo, like they moved mountains, like yay. They fried magwinya in the morning, in the 4 a.m. morning, and there's a line. There's a long line. There's a long line waiting for those magwinyas, waiting for this gospel right here. A long line waiting for this gospel. The daily bread. We got the daily bread here. This is the daily bread. Abashre. Abashre. I know. Guys, the pants, guys. The pants. Yo, everybody delivered. Like, yo, like, I got like, yo, I got nothing to add on this. Like, this was just perfect. Everyone delivered. Fucking loved it. Casino, man. Love to see you back in the, in the world, man. LOATINOVER. A nigga, bruv. I speaking prophecies, bruv. Yo. Yay. A-REECE, man. A-REECE came in and delivered as well, man, on the thing, and on the hook, man, and killed it, bruv. Killed it. Bars, there was bars after bars in the song. Like, it was bars after bars. Like, yo, like, I'm just like, this was one collab I never expected, but I'm glad that we have a collab like this in hip hop, like these niggas, they need to collab more, man. Like, we need to see more collabs, man. Like I'm tired of seeing the same niggas doing the same music together. I want to see niggas I never expected to be doing music together. Are you getting the drift? It's like that. But either way though, I loved it, fucking loved it. 10 out of 10, man, for me. Music video, nice, clean, simple, keep it to the T. Delivers the statement, delivers what it's supposed to. It does what it did, what it was supposed to do. Fucking loved it. I will give the music video 9 out of 10. Everything else, bruv, dope. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Who killed it more, man? Let me know in the comment section. Whose verse did you like more on the comment section? Let me know there. Let me know. Let's have a conversation down in the comment section. Thank you, man, to everyone who's watching right now. DJ CLEN, nice to meet you, man. Dope. Yeah, that's it right now for me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. On the flip side, you know how it is, man. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. You know how it is, man. Catch you on the next one. Easy, Macas Italianos. Oh yeah. Shoot.